All right, so just washed this, so I'm gonna go ahead and season it. All right, so the 5 things are sofrito, adobo, black pepper, Dominican oregano, and a splash of vinegar. And this is all just looking at it. I don't ever measure anything. So this is like an entire spoon. Get a little bit more. I'm just going to sprinkle that much. This has no sifter, so I just usually use the lid, and then I just, again, eyeball it. And same thing with black pepper. Black pepper on steak with steak is so good. And then that much vinegar, not much. Just mix it all together. So I would usually probably leave this to like sit and marinate for a little bit, but you know what? I think I'm just gonna wait because I only have like 30 minutes and I don't want to start the food and leave it on while I'm not here. So just put the lid on it and let it do its thing. I'm just gonna leave this spoon over to the side. And then when I get back in, I'll start the food. But yeah, that is how I season my steak. Alright, so dishes are done, and now I'm gonna use this baking soda that somehow got wet. I'm gonna open it, and I would like to clean my garbage disposal. Alright, there's a solid piece, so I just took that out. But I'm just gonna sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda and then my handy dandy vinegar. To just clean that bad boy up. I was hoping for more. I guess that should be good. Here we go. Dishes are all clean. Now it's time to freshen up this stove. It's just soap and water. Ta-da! I still have about 20 minutes and I already want to go get her. They just added this photo. Cutie. A baby. But yeah, so I'm gonna just wind down and then go get her soon. I'm eating Cadbury eggs. It's my favorite candy that comes out during Easter. But like I said, I'm gonna go pick up Camila and then come get back home and start cooking. But she does need a bath too. I'm just gonna fill out her mood and see how she is, because if I can get her bath in before dinner, then I'll do that. But yeah, these are so good. I do good and only grab like 4 to 5 actually, because I can keep going, like I won't stop. So I behave myself. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. All right, so this has marinated for about an hour and a half. So now I turned the stove on, threw some oil in there, waiting for it to heat up. And then I'm gonna dump it. How are you doing over here? Is it so good? Yummy. Is it so good? She's such a hand feeder. Happened so quick I didn't even show y'all, but making sure it's like the oil is hot, and there it is. And keep the lid on it for a while until the water runs low. Add more water and just keep doing that for a while until it gets tender. So it's 5:09. We'll see what time this is done. Got all the food going. And it's 5:46. Just came back from the gym, about to do our nails. It was like 80, high 80s like 2 days ago, and now it's like, what, high 40s?
Yes.
It's freezing. So it's nail day. It's pamper day.